Welcome to New Tech Made Easy. By now, you have heard about ChatGPT and may be asking yourself, what is it and how can I use? Sit back and watch as we will show you 5 interesting ways of using ChatGPT. The first one is summarize a specific topic. The ChatGPT can be used to provide a summary of large text. The feature is helpful for students and adults alike. The complexity of explanations can be adjusted by specifying the user's age. Just ask to summarize and paste the text in the search bar. Let's have a look at our example. We are going to summarize a paragraph on Jupiter's planet for a 4th grade student. So first, paste your paragraph here and write summarize this paragraph for a 4th grade student. Then click enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has started generating the response. Now our response is complete. ChatGPT has summarized the paragraph into 4 lines and is easy to understand for a 4th grade student. You can summarize any topic in this way. Now, I will tell you about the second way to use ChatGPT. The second way is to write and compose music. People are continuously asking ChatGPT to write lyrics for the songs on a particular topic. It will provide you with words as well as chords and progressions. It can be a great learning tool for any new music artist. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a song on trucks with accompanying chords. Let's click enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT has started writing the song and it's a very cool start. You can see ChatGPT is writing a song for you and it's really good. And it's still generating the response. Well, now our response is complete. As you can see, ChatGPT has created a song on trucks and it's really a good start. So you can use ChatGPT to create music in this way. Now I will tell you about the third way of using ChatGPT. The third way is providing recommendations. The ChatGPT can provide recommendations based on your specific requirements. The ChatGPT will recommend ideas for a bridal shower, a birthday party for a 5-year-old, or various ways to reward the interiors of a home. The opportunities are limited by your imaginations. Let's have a look at an example. So let's just ask ChatGPT give recommendations or surprise on 40th wedding anniversary. As you are seeing, ChatGPT has completed its response and as you can see, it has given recommendations on surprise of wedding anniversary. In this way, you can ask for recommendations on anything from ChatGPT and you will get very cool answers and recommendations. Now I will tell you about the fourth way of using ChatGPT. The fourth way is generating keywords and product descriptions. ChatGPT can analyze large text to generate keywords accurately, making life easier for people involved in digital marketing and search engine optimization. ChatGPT also comes up with scripts for advertisements based on product ideas and descriptions. Let's have a look at the example. So in this example, we will simply ask ChatGPT to extract the keywords from the provided text. What we will do is we will paste our text here and so in this example we will ask ChatGPT to extract the keywords from the below text. Now in this example we will ask ChatGPT to extract the keywords from the provided text. What we will do is we will paste our text here. As you can see, ChatGPT is extracting the keywords from the paragraph and these keywords are accurate as well. Now you can use these keywords wherever you want. So in this way you can extract keywords from any paragraph or articles or books you want. Now I will tell you about the fifth way of using ChatGPT. The fifth way of using ChatGPT is as a language translation application. The bot can also translate to multiple languages at once. This makes it a great tool for people from various nationalities, especially travelers. The application's ability to understand spoken language and respond accordingly becomes useful in translations. Let's have a look at our example. Now I will show you how you can translate a syntax into many languages in ChatGPT. So let's just ask ChatGPT to translate this syntax in 3 languages. So what I will do is I will ask ChatGPT translate this into German, French and Dutch. And our sentence is where is the train station. As you can see, ChatGPT has translated our sentence into 3 languages German, French, and Dutch. Don't you think it's good? So, in this way, you can translate any sentence into German, French, and Dutch, and other languages too. One thing to keep in mind is that ChatGPT does have its limitations. The system is not without its inherent problems. Even though researchers try their best to solve the challenges by evolving the system with further datasets, the team reports that the ChatGPT is prone to giving out plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers in a few instances. The application is also sensitive to changes in input phrasing. The content is getting excessively bloated with the overuse of specific phrases, and its lack of follow up questions to vague inputs are also stated as possible bugs in the system. Researchers are trying to fix the chances of ChatGPT responding to harmful instructions or exhibiting biased behavior in some instances. The team is trying to warn or block certain types of unsafe content to solve this issue. This is just a brief overview of some of many ways you can use ChatGPT. As it continuously learns output and will become more refined and the uses will continue to expand. Give it a try and see how easy it is to use. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. And as always, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you for watching.